Hi guys, welcome back. Right, well, last night I met up with Lock Noob and Yukov in the pub. We sunk a few beers, exchanged locks, and I come away with this nice, I don't know what the correct terminology for this is. It's a Toolzone. It's like the big locks you put on the back of a van, where the you put the key in, turn it, and this retracts, which pulls back this bolt. I'm sure you've all seen them before. I've never picked one, so we're gonna have a go and see if we can get it open. So let's find something. I can't put it in a vice because it's such a huge lump. To find something to pick it with. This is a shallow hook. This is a RevTat pick. Have a feel. Don't know how many pins this has got in it, but felt like one near the back. One next to it seems to be standing up. My battery is running out of my camera, so I'm going to have to be quick if I can. That's 3 pins done, felt like. That felt like pin 1. Hope my camera's going to last. We still seem to be recording. Feels like something down the front. I'm slacking off on the tension. Come on, baby. I have a cough coming. Got it. Pin 1 was the gatekeeper, and then it picked, and that should retract. If I can get it out, like so, which opens the bolt. Yeah, nice little lock. Looks like that's the retaining screw for the lock mechanism, but I'm not going to take that out now. Yeah, anyway, that's the Toolzone. I call it a van lock. Very nice, not too hard to pick, but still enjoyable. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.